Mechanical keyboards have been steadily rising in demand due to their tactile feedback, durability, and customizability. Both typists and gamers appreciate the precision and comfort these keyboards provide. In this guide, we evaluate factors such as switch type, build quality, layout, and overall value.
List number 1. The Metalla Power Cyclone Pond Vacuum with Dual Pump. The Metalla Power Cyclone Pond Vacuum is a professional-grade option built for heavy-duty pond and water feature cleaning. Its standout feature is the dual pump system that allows continuous suction and discharge without interruption, a huge advantage over standard vacuums that require frequent stop-and-go cycles. With a 25-foot suction hose and 30-foot discharge hose, this vacuum is capable of handling larger ponds, fountains, or even commercial settings. Its 1.6 HP motor generates powerful suction to lift muck, sludge, leaves, and algae efficiently, while the built-in leaf basket prevents clogging. The rugged build ensures longevity, and the large wheels make transportation easier around your garden or yard. Unlike smaller consumer vacuums, this one is designed for ponds up to thousands of gallons.
List number 2. 4-in-1 cordless rechargeable small pool vacuum spa hot tub. For smaller water features like hot tubs, fountains, or mini ponds, the 4-in-1 cordless rechargeable pool vacuum is a compact and budget-friendly choice. Its lightweight design and cordless functionality make it very easy to maneuver without the hassle of tangled cords. With multiple attachments, including a scrubbing brush, this vacuum efficiently cleans dirt, leaves, and debris from tight corners and shallow areas. One of the highlights is its rechargeable battery system, providing up to 60 to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. This is ideal for smaller jobs where portability and quick setup matters most. Because it's designed with versatility in mind, you can use it in spas, hot tubs, kiddie pools, and even decorative ponds. However, its limited suction power makes it less suited for larger or heavily soiled ponds. Instead, it shines as a practical solution for routine light cleaning. The detachable filter chamber is easy to rinse, ensuring quick maintenance after each use.
List number 3. 3-in-1 cordless rechargeable pool vacuum. The 3-in-1 cordless rechargeable pool vacuum is another great multi-purpose tool for pond and pool owners looking for flexibility. As its name suggests, it offers 3 cleaning modes: vacuuming, brushing, and filtering. This makes it suitable not only for ponds, but also for pools, hot tubs, and water features where versatility is needed. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, it delivers up to an hour of efficient cleaning, making it perfect for mid-sized water features. The vacuum comes with interchangeable heads, allowing you to switch between focused suction or broader surface cleaning. The fine filter net helps trap even small particles, keeping water clearer. Its design prioritizes portability and ease of use, so even beginners will find setup simple. The lightweight build and telescopic pole compatibility.
List number 4. Salty Captain Flow-Vac Water Vacuum, Venturi-powered suction. The Salty Captain stands out because it doesn't require electricity or batteries. Instead, it uses Venturi-powered suction, meaning it connects to your garden hose to generate cleaning power. This makes it one of the simplest, most maintenance-free pond vacuums on the market. It's especially handy for small ponds, spas, and above-ground pools, where convenience is more important than maximum suction. The vacuum includes a mesh debris bag that collects dirt, leaves, and small sludge particles, preventing clogging. Its durable construction and hose-powered system mean there are no motors or batteries to worry about. While the suction power can't compete with electric models, it's surprisingly effective for removing lightweight debris and leaves.
List number 5. Pool Whale upgrades Pool Spa Pond Mini Jet Vac Vacuum Cleaner with Brush. The Pool Whale Upgrades Mini Jet Vac is a budget-friendly option for pond and spa owners who want a compact manual solution. Like the Salty Captain, it works using a garden hose connection, creating suction through water pressure. It comes with a brush attachment, making it particularly useful for scrubbing algae and grime from pond liners, spa walls, or fountains. Its small size makes it ideal for targeted cleaning in tight areas where larger vacuums can't reach. The debris is collected in an easy-to-clean mesh bag, and the brush ensures more effective dirt loosening. Because it's lightweight and portable, it's a favorite for quick touch-ups. However, it lacks the power of motorized models and is not designed for heavy muck or sludge removal. Instead,